TikTok Lite PC download 2026. So the promise versus reality. What promoted? Many sites advertise a TikTok Lite PC download with universal compatibility and easy installation. What's real? There's no feature standalone TikTok Lite desktop package pushing universal capability. Downloads are typically third-party workaround. Treat them as a risk until verified by official methods. If a download page uh, isn't linked from TikTok.com or the Microsoft Store, proceed with caution, guys. So what actually works on PC? TikTok.com. Watch the message, upload, finish video circuit in any desktop browser. No install needed. TikTok Studio, the official creator workspace in browser. Upload, manage, post, view, analytics, and schedule content if legible. Microsoft Store. Windows user can install TikTok from the Microsoft Store, an official PWA-like app that opens in its own window. The PC download path that can mislead emulators like BlueStacks can run the Android TikTok app but require setup at least 4 GB RAM to 5 GB free disk and 64-bit instance. TikTok Lite via for PC sites claim no complex setup but still rely on unified third-party compatibility layer, not official. Key limitation: desktop workflow typically only upload existing files. Mobile only recording and effects are often unavailable. The final verdict is it a waste of time. Watch or post, use TikTok.com or TikTok Studio for the fastest visual access. Need Android only feature run an emulator requires extra setup and caution. Everything else skip download install from Microsoft Store on Windows. So yeah, there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the final question ko sa sabi na question bala guys. Sabi na as soon as possible and thank you guys.